Nice to meet you. I'm Fried and I'm going to present to you today how we're going to use our new Medoc Cal Kit. The new Medoc Cal Kit comes in this box and it contains several items which I'm going to show you a little bit more close up so you can see it better. So this is the calibration kit from the inside. Over here is the sensor. These are the jigs that will come along with the device that you'll buy. This is the thermal grease, and this is the communication cable that will be connected to your computer. So, your calibration kit comes with different jigs, and you'll order the jig that you'll need according to the thermodes that you own. This is, for instance, the 30x30 jig, which will fit the TSA-II 30x30 and the Pathway 30x30 thermode. We'll also have, for the TSA-II and the Pathway, the 16x16 jig, which fits that thermode for both devices, and also the Pathway CHEPS jig. For the Q-Sense, even though it's a 30x30 thermode, there is a little bit of a different jig because it's a little bit different configuration of the thermode. This is the sensor that will sense the temperature. Over here, we'll connect the communication cable to the computer. And over here is the data, the serial number, and also the calibration date of the sensor. Now we're going to set up the calibration kit and put it all together. Okay, so here we got our sensor, and you can notice that there are 3 pins over here, and these pins are actually there to hold the jig. Let's connect the jig for a second. And you can see that these pins align with 3 holes in the jig. So, next we're going to put some thermal grease on the sensor over here. You just need a little bit. Get yourself a toothpick or something, like something small and hard that you can rub with. You just need a little bit over here, and this will last you for years. Put it on there. Need a little bit of a good layer so we'll have good thermal conductivity between the thermode and the sensor. So let's put it all together. We've got our sensor and jig. We've got the thermode. Now pay attention that there is the thermode cable needs to come over here on this side where the writing is, like this. Hold it all together tightly, and now close it up with the thermode straps so that it sits tightly and has good contact all over. And I'm pulling it, and I can't really pull it apart. So this is the way it should sit. You're almost done. Now we just have to connect this to the computer. Get your communication cable. There's this small end, you put it over here. Oh, it clicks, very good. And the USB cable needs to go into your computer, like this. Let's go into the software. So here are in the software. This is our opening screen. Let's go to Settings, Hardware Settings, Thermode. Choose the thermode number of the thermode that you're working with right now. This is the 402010-494 in my case. Go to AutoCal. See over here the thermode. And this is the most common procedure that you'll do with your calibration kit. The auto calibration is something that you just turn on and walk away from. During the auto calibration, the thermode will be checked on several points along the whole temperature range. This is depending on your device. Each temperature point will be checked for about 2 minutes. So take into account that this whole procedure will take you between 30 minutes and an hour. When you start the calibration, make sure that the thermode doesn't touch anything but the sensor. During the calibration, safety measures are off, so the thermode can get to extreme temperatures for a long time. No body parts should touch the thermode at this time. Are you ready? Let's start. So this is just a confirmatory message. Make sure that the jig, thermode, and sensor are properly connected. And be aware of the safety precautions I've just mentioned to you. So these are the points that the sensor will test, and you'll see that it will start at 18 degrees in the case of Q-Sense. You can just walk away now and do something else while the calibration is running. So, as we're nearing the end of the calibration procedure, you'll see the green bar fill up the last temperature point. In a few moments, you'll see the temperature dial down, and we're almost done. Congratulations! The automatic calibration is complete. The calibration is automatically saved in the software. But just for the sake of having a backup, let's save this calibration file. I'll just put it on my desktop. I've made a backup file folder. And I would just want to save it with the thermo name. And the date. As you see, I've already saved it once today. Oh, where are we? Let's save. Sure, let's replace it. So we're done. Thank you very much for listening.